All VIT aspirants, this is a very crucial video. There is an important news, important update regarding VIT EEE 2026. So watch it from beginning till the end so that you understand it clearly. If you are new to our channel, please subscribe our channel for regular VIT EEE content like this. Now let's deep dive into the news. What is the regular update? Before we proceed, it is a small request to like this video as much as possible, because if you want us to continue with VIT practice series, PYQ series, short trick series, then like it as much as possible. Target is 100 plus likes, so let's achieve it together. Now here is the big update that the application form last date has been extended by VIT Vellore. So this is an official confirmation, and here if you haven't yet applied it for the VIT EEE examination, so this is the right time to apply it and do not miss out on this opportunity. So what does this date extension means? So the date has been extended till your 12th of April. So basically it implies this is the last golden opportunity to apply for VIT. Remember that VIT is one of the prestigious institutes and it can actually give you a strong and secured future. This is one of the prominent colleges in the southern part of India. Very good college, very reputed institute. And yes, if you haven't yet started your VIT EEE preparation, this is the right and appropriate time to get started with your VIT EEE preparation. Remember that VIT is giving you a very good college option like VIT Vellore or VIT Chennai, very good colleges, and definitely you are getting excellent placements, good college future, and really this is a chance by which definitely you can progress well in your life. And here really if you want to crack VIT EEE examination, if you really want to do well, then you can check out our India's #1 and most relevant VIT EEE 2026 crash course. And this has been exclusively designed for VIT exam, and it is prepared by our team of subject matter experts, highly experienced experts in consultation with the expert panel from VIT Vellore and Chennai themselves. So yes, this is the most relevant course in this. You are getting high quality recorded video lectures of all subjects: physics, chemistry, maths, aptitude and English. You can play and pause these lectures anytime and multiple times as per your pace and convenience. Also, the mode of teaching is purely in English. Further, you are getting exclusive question bank, short notes and 10 full length mock test series, plus constant doubt solving support is also provided within this course. So this is the most useful and highly essential course for your VIT EEE preparation. If you want to start your preparation right now, and you should not think in starting your preparation if you are serious about your VIT exam and your VIT Vellore or Chennai dream, so you must start it right now along with our VIT EEE crash course. You want to enroll, so then visit our website 10qchallenge.in right now. Below in the description box, link is provided. Further, the course related details and procedure for enrollment step by step, everything have been provided below in the description box. So go fast and do check it out below. And also remember that course fees is very nominal, just 5,500 rupees. And on top of it, we are also providing special discount of rupees 2,000 off. So below in the description box, coupon code is also there. So do apply that. Do not miss to avail that coupon code, which is valid just for today. After that, it is very affordable, very economical price. That is just rupees 3,500. Remember that a small investment in your future, in your education right now, can safeguard your future. Definitely, you can crack VIT EEE examination along with us with the flying colors. And if you have any course related query, you can call us at this number 8839737146. So hopefully you have understood each and everything, and also the importance and weightage of this important update, that this is the second opportunity that you are getting. After that, dates will not be further extended. So if you have not yet applied for the exam, then go fast and apply now. And with this, I will sign off. Tab tak ke liye Jai Hind. Thank you. God bless.